Hi, parents. If you're concerned about your teen's pornography use and want to help them build healthy habits and prevent the issue from becoming a much bigger problem, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the intervention of a parent led approach to prevent and address pornography addiction in teens. Parent led means that you, as the parent, take the lead in helping your teen to work through the breaking free curriculum rather than a professional counselor or clergyman. This is a great place to get started on approaching this issue before you seek more formal intervention, but it will only work if you have enough influence in your relationship with your teen that they will respond to your lead. This means assuring that your teen is spending time each week completing the workbook assignments and is willing to share the work with you through ongoing discussions. If your teen is not willing to do this or open to you taking the lead on this, then this intervention is probably not for you, and you may need to seek professional counseling or clergy for working with your teen. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and we'll walk you through how it works, why it's effective, and how you can start using it at home. Let's get started. Pornography is more accessible than ever, and teens are especially vulnerable. Chances are, if your teen has a smartphone, then they have viewed it and probably more than you would like to believe. It can impact their mental health, distort their views on relationships, stagnate emotional development, and even lead to addictive behaviors. Frequently, its use leads to patterns of lying, deceit, and sneaky behaviors to hide it and cover it up. But here's the good news: you, as a parent, can make a difference. The Breaking Free curriculum empowers you to guide your teen toward healthy choices by fostering open communication, setting clear boundaries, providing evidence based education. This parent led intervention, it's all about you taking a proactive approach, addressing the issue before it becomes an addiction. And the best part, it's designed for you to use at home, tailored to your family's values, doesn't require you to seek out professional counseling or intervention. The Breaking Free curriculum, it's a comprehensive, user friendly program that equips parents with everything you need to help your teen. It includes educational modules in the form of age appropriate lessons that explain how pornography affects the brain, relationships, and emotional health. Practical tools in the form of numerous exercises to build self awareness, emotional regulation, and critical thinking skills for both you as the parent and for your teen. Communication strategies in the form of tips to talk about sensitive topics without shame or judgment, and keeping the lines of communication open even when there are lapses or setbacks in your teen's effort to avoid viewing pornography. Boundary setting, the framework in the form of recommendations for family media plans like screen time limits and content filters. It's customizable so you can adapt it to your teen's needs, whether you're starting from scratch and doing it all at home or complementing it with clergy support or professional counseling. The curriculum fits right into your daily routine. The curriculum makes it easy with step by step guides. You can do workbook exercises during check ins with your teen to discuss progress and reinforce lessons through daily interactions. It's about building life skills like self discipline and critical media consumption. The most effective approach is to cover at least one concept per week, and for you as the parent to work through the same concepts in the parent workbook at the same pace and speed as your teen. For most teens, working through a concept in the workbook requires about 30 minutes of reading and study, and then thoughtfully answering the questions at the end of the chapter and sharing them with you. The workbook includes 10 specific concepts. So, in other words, if your teen is working through the Concept 2 section in the teen workbook, you as the parent should also be working through the Concept 2 section of the Parent Guide workbook. This way, you are both covering the same concepts at the same time from your respective workbooks. Using the 101 Tips for Quitting Porn workbook is a great way to supplement this work by assigning your teen to find maybe one tip per day from the workbook to discuss it with you and identify how they can apply the tip to their efforts and then to report on how they applied it. Here's how to bring the breaking free concepts applied into practice in your home. Model healthy behaviors by showing your teen responsible media use. For example, limit your own screen time and talk openly about your choices. Create a non judgmental environment by approaching conversations about the topic of pornography with empathy to build trust. Let your teen know that they can share without the fear of punishment. Reviewing the workbook, concepts, and assignments together will provide opportunities to practice this. Collaborate with your teen by involving them in setting boundaries, like deciding when devices are off limits or installing content filters. This gives them ownership and accountability. Why is this approach so effective? The Breaking Free curriculum offers early intervention by addressing issues before they escalate, increasing the chance of positive outcomes. Create stronger family bonds as you work together to build trust and collaboration between you and your teen, particularly as you learn to have a dialogue about difficult and uncomfortable topics like pornography use. Provides empowerment through education as both you and your teen learn about the risks of pornography, helping you make informed choices and to stay resilient. By creating a supportive, structured environment, you're not just addressing pornography, you're helping your teen to develop skills for long term well being. And for the question and answer segment, the question is, how do I structure a parent led intervention at home for my teen, and what does it ideally look like? The objective is to create a consistent, private, and non judgmental environment that allows for open, honest, productive interaction with you and your teen. Here's some specific ideas to set up and follow for a curriculum at home. 1, schedule a consistent weekly session. Choose a day and time by selecting a specific day and time each week for sessions. For example, Mondays from 7 to 8 p.m. Consistency helps build trust in a routine. Keep it manageable. 30 to 60-minute sessions is usually plenty long to allow time for discussion without overwhelming your teen. Stick to the schedule by treating this time as a priority, just as you would any other appointment, to show your teen that you're committed to their progress. Keep a safe and private space. Pick a quiet location that's comfortable, distraction-free, maybe a corner of your living room, an office or study, or the teen's bedroom. Sure that the space feels private and conducive to open conversation. Make sure to minimize distractions, turn off your phones, televisions, or other devices during the session to help both you and your teen focus. Exclude siblings to avoid potential shame or judgment. Keep the sessions one-on-one, focused between you and your teen. Focus on one concept per week. Assign your teen to read and study the assigned chapter from the Breaking Free curriculum. And for you, before the session, you've read and studied your questions. And then at the end of the chapter, make sure that your teen answers the questions that are designed to encourage reflection and self-awareness. During the session, towards the end, invite your teen to share their answers with you. Listen actively without judgment, asking gentle follow-up questions to deepen the conversation. Examples would be, how did this concept make you feel? How can you apply it to your life? Parents, you have the power to guide your teen toward a healthier future. The Breaking Free curriculum is your roadmap to open communication, clear boundaries, and informed decision making. Ready to get started? Visit our website, therapyassociates.net, in the bookstore to access the Breaking Free curriculum and to explore more resources. The best option is the Recovery Toolbox for Teens, which includes the Breaking Free for Teens, the Breaking Free Parent Guide, and the 101 Tips for Quitting Porn, all 3 workbooks. For more tips on parenting teens in the digital age, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's work together to help our teens thrive. See you in the next episode as we will discuss the intervention of outpatient therapy and seeking professional counseling.